what's up? It's your girl PinkMetalHead. What is up, Pink Nation? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reacting to a Pantera, and the song is Floods. There's like this one person, I can't remember their name on the top of my head, but they're always asking me like, please react to this. Them and along with other people have been asking me to react to the song for the longest, so I'm interested to see if it's good or not. I'll give my rating at the end. Feel free to follow me on all of my social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Wait a minute. Is this Phil? Is this Phil singing? Okay, maybe maybe I just don't listen to enough Pantera. Maybe I'm not, just don't know much about Phil. But is he singing? Did I hear some run? Did I? What? Yo, this is crazy. Oh my god, he's singing, y'all. No, this is not Phil. I don't believe it. This is not Phil. This is someone else. Nah.
Negativity. You see in one-sidedly. Burn away the day.
I'm so blown away. Is this Pantera? Guys, nah, this cannot be. What? I've never heard this side of them before. Where have I been? Where have I been? I'm shook. I'm shook. I'm so shook.
Wash away your soul. Take us with the mankind played with the clay throughout the day. Mankind
Guys, first of all, I'm gonna just say it right now, they're getting a 10 out of 10. Like, that's the rating. Like, let me just say that now. Like, I just need to get that out, because this was amazing. This was what was that? Pantera? Was that really Pantera? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me start with the lyrics. Let me just read some of the lyrics just to see what the song is about. Okay, so begins and it says, "It's a dead issue, don't wrestle with it. Deaf ears are sleeping, a guilty bliss, so inviting, let me in, nailed to the cross. I feel you, relate to you, accuse you, wash away us all, take us with the flood. Then throughout the night, they were raped and executed. Then throughout the night, they were raped and executed. Cold-hearted world." Okay, so basically through these lyrics, I'm getting the gist that it's talking about a flood that kind of comes along and ends all of mankind. And this is so weird because right before I recorded this video, I reacted to Tool's Enema, and it's like I mentioned the same Bible story of like Noah's Ark, and I'm mentioning again in this video. That's so weird, isn't it? What a coincidence. But yeah, basically the lyrics seem to be an allusion to the biblical flood from Noah's Ark in the book of Genesis. And basically, if you don't know the story, I'm sure everyone knows the story, but God was basically disappointed in mankind and he brought a flood to just wash away everyone and kind of start anew. And so Bill is kind of equating the flood back then to current times and saying because of humanity's like wickedness and its sins, there kind of needs to be a flood to wash all of that away. Okay, let's just get to the obvious part and then I'll talk about other things. That solo. That guitar solo. Like, that guitar solo had me doing the Pledge of Allegiance. Like, my hand was just right here. Like, I couldn't even let go of my chest because I was like, that was amazing. And doing my research, I actually found out that solo is one of metal's most famous guitar solos of all time, and I can see why. It was, I don't even feel like I'm worthy enough to even discuss it. Like, it's so, just hearing it, I already knew that was iconic. Like, I didn't need to be told. Like, that was already iconic just by hearing it. I could tell. Dimebag, oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Let me not even, because when it just saddens me to witness on this channel so many talented people who have passed away, and it's like, wow, you know, it almost feels like they were too good for us, you know what I mean? Like, it almost feels like they were even too good to be on this earth. They were bigger than life, you know? But let me not even go into that, because y'all know how I am with crying, and everyone says you cry a lot, and it's true. I'm a Cancer, okay, and I'm just a very emotional person. So yeah, the solo was just insane. The bass lines and the entire song crazy, and Phil was singing. I know for my Pantera fans, you guys are probably like, yes, Phil sang all the time in his songs. But from what I've heard from Pantera, I haven't really heard a song where he's singing like melodies and stuff. So that was very impressive, and he's a really great singer. And you know what's so cool? There's this part of the song where his voice kind of gets warped. You know what I mean? Like it's kind of warped, and it almost gives me the effect of drowning, like when you're underwater and you're trying to speak, like the gargling sound. So I thought that was really cool in relation to the song. And I loved how it went from like the super, like, you know, the soft to amping up and then back down again. So just the song structure is so smart. Like, it is literally so smart. And I don't know why I never realized this before, but this song really made me realize that Pantera wasn't one of those bands that just were mindless, brainless, just, you know, thrashing around on stage and just did music that just got you really hype and you just headbang to it and that's it. This proved to me that they actually had songs that were smart, that paid attention to song structure, and even sound effects, lyrics, just well-rounded. And now I understand why a lot of you were so touchy-feely when, you know, we discussed certain things that Phil has done in his past. And I kind of understand why some of you were like super passionate about defending him, because Pantera is clearly an iconic band in music, period. So I get it. I'm not going to talk about it, but I understand, like, when a band is that good, or when an artist or musician or someone that we really love is just super talented, anything that they do, sometimes we just try to defend them because of that. But I just want to make it clear that Phil doesn't really represent the band, or anything that Phil does will never take away from the amazingness that was Pantera, and that still is Pantera. So yeah, guys, like I said, rating 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys would rate it, if you would rate it lower, or I don't know. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
And beat my chest. Bitch is King Kong. Yes, this King Kong. Bitch is King Kong. This is King Kong. Chinese ink on. Siamese links on. Call me 2 Chains. Name go ding dong. Bitch is King Kong. Yes, I'm King Kong. This is King Kong. Yes, Miss King Kong.